Hello, Primary 5. In the last session, we talked about the meaning of soil, the components of soil, and the meaning of erosion. Today, we will talk about types and properties of soil. Let's start by the types of soil. We have classified soil into three types based on the main components of this soil, the color, size of particles, compactness, aeration of soil, and drainage of water, and the fertility of this soil. So, we have classified the soil into three types. Number one is sand soil, two is silt soil, three is clay soil. Let's start by the sand soil. Sand soil is composed mainly of sand, small amount of clay and silt, and rare humus. And we have mentioned before that humus is the decayed organic matter which presented in the soil or in the soil we have. And sand soil has rare amount of humus. So the fertility of sand soil of course is low because of the rare amount of organic matter which gives the plants the nutrients and minerals it needs. Okay, the color of sand soil is yellow. The particles of sand soil is large, and sand soil is loose, and loose means not compacted. You can fragile it by your hand. Okay, sand soil is well aerated, and aeration means that the amount of air inside this soil is large, and because of that it has the lowest absorption of water. Any sand soil needs a low amount of water and fastest drainage of water. It can drain or get rid of water in short time. So it has the fastest drainage of water, and of course its fertility is low. Number two is the silt soil, and silt soil color is gray. It's composed of mixture of gravel, sand, clay, and silt, and contains more humus. Its color is gray because of this mixture of different types of particles, and because of the more amount of humus, its fertility is high. The particles of it is medium. It is moderately compacted. It's not so loose and not so compacted. Moderately aerated, which means the amount of air inside it is moderate. It has medium absorption of water and medium drainage of water. And of course, its fertility is high because of the large amount of humus it has. The third type is clay soil. Clay soil composed mainly of clay, and the clay is a tiny particles, clay and silt, small amount of sand and humus. Its color is black. Its particle is small because of the main components of it, which are clay and silt. It is highly compacted. You can't fragile it by your hand. It's not easy to fragile it. It's poorly aerated, which means the amount of air inside it is poor or is small. It has the highest absorption of water. Due to the it's poor due to the little amount of air, it needs a large amount of water. And the clay soil can retain or hold the water inside it for a large time. So it has the slowest drainage of water. It cannot get rid of the water in short time. It needs very long time to get rid of it. Its fertility is moderate. So if we need to compare between the three types, we will say that the particles are different. The particles in sand soil is large, particles in silt soil is moderate, particles in the clay soil is small. The fertility of the clay soil is moderate. In the sand soil is very low, and the fertility of silt soil is very high. So you can answer these questions. Which type of soil retains, and retains means hold, the most water? Is it silt, sand, or clay soil? Okay, the soil which retains the most water is clay soil. It cannot get rid of the water in short time. Which type of soil holds or retains the least amount of water? Of course, it is the sand soil. So, the drainage of water in sand soil is faster than the drainage of water in clay soil. Soil and plants. Each type of soil suits certain kinds of plants, such as if we have sand soil, we can cultivate many plants like potato, carrot, sweet potato, and cactus. If we have silt soil, it will be suitable for the cultivation of strawberry, lemon, pomegranates. And finally, if we have clay soil, we can plant cotton, rice, cane, and wheat in this soil. This was our lesson today. I hope you get benefit and thank you.